My name is Shivangi Babariya. I had completed BE in IT from Sabar Institute in June 2018 and I joined the STAD Solution for software testing training in March 2020. During training, I learned how to write test scenario and test cases and how to find a bug and how to create a bug report. And I also learned how to test mobile application, web application and game application. Staff of STAD Solution is very supportive and they are providing best service. After completion of my training, I got placed as a software tester in Prodigy Software Ltd. So I recommended all of you to join STAD Solution and be sure about the future. Thank you.